Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential topic: how to pay your Apple Card bill. If you're an Apple Card user, you know how seamless Apple's ecosystem can be, and paying your bill is no exception. It's straightforward, secure, and can be done right from your iPhone or computer. Let's dive in step by step so you can handle this like a pro. First off, ensure you have the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's usually pre-installed. Open it up and tap on your Apple Card. You'll see your current balance, payment due date, and any recent transactions. This gives you a clear overview before you proceed. Next, look for the Pay button on your card's details page and tap it. Here, you'll enter the amount you want to pay. You can choose to pay the full balance, the minimum due, or any amount in between. It's all up to you. After that, select your payment date. Apple lets you schedule it for today or up to a few days in advance, which is super handy for staying on top of your finances. Once you've entered the details, review everything to make sure it's correct. Then, confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode for added security. Boom! You're done. The payment will process quickly, and you'll get a confirmation notification. If you're not on your iPhone, you can also pay via the Apple Card website. Just head to card.apple.com, sign in with your Apple ID, and follow the same steps there. It's just as easy. A few pro tips. If you tend to forget due dates, set up autopay in the app to avoid late fees and keep your credit score strong. Always double-check your statements for any unauthorized charges too. Paying on time not only saves you money but also builds good financial habits. There you have it. Paying your Apple Card bill is simple and stress-free. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more everyday tech tips. Drop any questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.